In the wild, few creatures will go to greater lengths to attract the attention of a potential mate than the B2B sales representative. Observe carefully. Here we see the North American sales representative in his natural habitat. The male has spent considerable time preparing his display. He's crafted a personalized email.
Very impressive.
He has sent a follow-up.
The females have their eyes.
And in a particularly elaborate maneuver, he has recorded a video specifically for the prospect. Unfortunately, the prospect appears completely unimpressed. The male will now attempt several variations of his display. Humor,
Seems to be having the desired effect.
value, and finally, desperation sets in. But perhaps, much like the Grinch himself, the sales representative has misunderstood the entire purpose of the dance.
Maybe the dancing isn't my goal. Maybe, perhaps connection is my real role. Because at the end of the day, nobody wants to watch me dance. You just want to know that I can solve your problems. And if I have learned anything in the 24 years I have done this dance, it is that I absolutely can and will solve your problems. And we'll have us a heck of a lot of fun along the way. Reach out and let's make some stuff together. And I promise you there will be no dancing.